Hey Taurus, what's up? What's going on? How cool is that? Alright, overall, first of all, your person here is very, very guarded. Okay. Now, this person here is someone here who probably feels the need to defend themselves. Okay. This person here is so guarded. They're so closed off here. Okay. It's more like, they're watching you from a distance. But there could be now two things I'm getting here. Okay. Either this person here is probably someone here, who, can you see? Better, right? This is someone here who probably is very defensive. Okay, now they feel the need to have their guards up. They want to protect themselves here. Okay, but I also feel at the same time here that this person here is they're very close to having a success with you is what I'm getting here. Okay, but they have their boundaries up. Okay, this person is like almost like they touch and come back. It's like a touch and come back. It's like, so they almost reach the success in this relationship with you, but then they come back because they don't trust anyone in love. Maybe they don't trust you, maybe they don't trust people in love. Okay, but they're very careful, they're very scared, they don't want to jump in and take a risk right now. Okay, and this could be either because of the past experiences that's stopping the growth of this relationship, but they're watching you from a distance. Okay, they're still holding on, but they're not making any move forward. Okay, but in their feelings here, they're very guarded overall. Okay, very, very guarded out here. This could also be someone here who does not want to be vulnerable and weak. Okay, because others were bad to them or they just had a bad relationship in the past. Two of Cups here and their feelings here. I love you, you love me, we are happy family. Two of Cups here. Okay, this person here has a lot of love for you. They do feel the strong connection with you. Okay, and they do love you very, very much. Probably there's no one else that they can ever think of when it comes to love, when it comes to relationships. Two of Cups is also wanting to offer each other love, marriage, commitment out here, but it's a very emotional level. Okay, nothing very practical out here. But yeah, with the Two of Cups, definitely it's that connection that they want. Okay, they feel that love for you, they want this with you. Okay, and only you here. With the Sun here, this person definitely is feeling like they want clarity. Okay, I feel now for a lot of you, I feel there is no communication between you both. Okay, I do feel that this person wants to be more open and they want to have clarity, or they're trying to get some kind of clarity here, but they do see you as someone who makes them very, very happy. They're emotionally very committed to you. Okay, probably this person even wants to travel with you to a hot place, like a warm place or something, but this is someone here who probably sees you as the light. Okay, in their day, they feel very abundant, very joyful when it comes to you here. Okay, this person feels they want to make things better and they feel things will get better out here. Okay, but this person is definitely looking forward for clarity here. Okay, and that is something that they're waiting on. They probably see a very bright future ahead with you, a very positive filled event is what they're looking for, but they're waiting for things to get better. Okay, they want to get enlightened out here. They want that nothing should be hidden out here. Okay, for sure here, if there's been a relationship that has been under wraps, I think they want the relationship to be out. Okay, but they're definitely feeling like they want clarity out here, or they're getting clarity out here. Okay, with the Hangman here, I like this because the Hangman here usually is a card where this person here is slowly but steadily trying to see things from a different perspective. Okay, so all this while, if this person here was focus, hello, yeah. Okay, damn. So all this while, this person here, was being very selfish. They had a very one-sided perspective. They weren't trying to see things from your point of view here. Okay, I feel now they're trying to see this relationship from a different point of view. They're changing their viewpoint. They're changing their approach. They're changing their thought pattern. They're changing their way about how they see relationships, or how they see this relationship with you, because this is about you and them. The Hangman here is a very beautiful energy. Why? It's because, yes, things are at a pause, things are stuck and stagnant. Well, it's probably because you probably didn't put a pause to this connection, hoping, probably scared that you'd lose this person one day. This person kept going on in the connection here because probably there was no resistance from your side. Okay, you were okay accepting the way things were going here. Probably they were very in and out of your life out here, and you kept the door open so they can just waltz back into your life whenever they wanted to. Now I feel this person here, probably you've cut communication with them. Okay, which is why they're feeling so guarded towards you. But I feel that this person here is very close to ending a cycle, a very painful cycle, a very burdensome cycle in their life out here. But with the Hangman here, they're trying to see things from a different perspective. Okay, they're trying to change the way they think about things. This is a break. Okay, but it's a very temporary stagnation. All right, so don't worry out here. All right, what are this person's intentions towards Taurus? 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 What are their intentions towards Taurus, please? From the 10th to the 20th of October 2021. What are their intentions towards Taurus, please? Okay. Okay. Alright. Wow. So silly. Alright. Okay. Now, overall, let's see. Now, we do have the Knight of Pentacles here, first of all. So, this person here is very focused on their career, their goals, their money out here. Okay. I do like the Knight of Pentacles here because this is someone here who probably is wanting to invest into here. But what I don't like out here is that, again, it's going to be a very, very slow moving energy. Okay. Very slow moving energy out here. This person here is just in no hurry to commit to you. If you're dealing with someone here where you feel that things are just moving slow as fuck, well, guess what? It's going to continue like that. This person is ready to step forward, but they're not making a move yet. Similar to their feelings out here. So it's like the realization is there, but they're just not ready to make that move towards you. Slow and steady wins the race is what this person says. Okay. So that's a perfectionist. This can make the relationship very boring because you just feel the relationship just never gets on to the next level. This person here is dedicated, okay, but I'm just getting someone here who's probably overly obsessed with their career goals, okay, or someone here, who is wanting commitment with you, but they're not working towards it as fast. Like, this is not your Knight of Wands, right? Who was wanting to get things done yesterday. This person feels that one step at a time, one day at a time out here, okay. But yes, for you, I think their one day at a time is like years, okay. So that's how slow this person is. Very dedicated here. They'll still keep moving towards you. I don't feel like in their feelings, so what I like, in their heart space, in their feelings, they have the emotions out here. In their intentions, they're steadily working towards this connection, but I feel somehow their intentions are more towards working towards their stability, security, growth, rather than wanting to make this relationship work out. But at the same time out here, they have you in their heart, okay. Now, 5 of Swords here in their intentions here. This person is probably wanting a reconciliation here, okay. This person knows that they fucked up, okay. This person knows that you walked away from them. This person knows that they sabotaged the connection over and over and over again, okay. But now this person here is feeling defeated. They know that they were playing mind games. A lot of drama between you both here. They know that they fucked up. They know that they pushed you away, the person that they always wanted the most, only because of fear, only because of whatever, deception, or only because they were too scared and afraid to embrace this connection out here, okay. They probably were really nasty, okay. They could have probably cheated, lied, whatever it is, okay. But they do see you as walking away or stepping back from any kind of negative communication or conflict out here. They see you as you've surrendered and given up on the situation here, and now they want to come back towards you. They want a compromise. They want a peaceful resolution here, but this is where they probably want a reconciliation. Now, this is not a reconciliation which is like a full-blown reconciliation. I feel at least this is more like a communication reconciliation. Like, you know what, I'm sorry, please forgive me, can we talk again? Something like that out here. But they do have a realization that you walked away because they fucked up. Like I said, the Judgment here, okay. This person, their intentions are to reconcile with you. So for most Tauruses who I'm reading for, I think you guys have gone through a separation, a breakup, and it's been a very long time that you guys aren't in communication with each other, or it's just been a while that you guys have been apart, okay. This person here wants to give a rebirth to this connection, okay. They want to get this back from the dead, okay. There's a lot of realizations that this person has had. There's an awakening that this person has had, okay. So now, earlier this person was not being logical, okay. Now I feel this person here is being logical out here, okay. Now they're trying to trust their judgment, okay. And I feel this person here is I feel this person here is definitely wanting a reconciliation after a breakup, okay. Like I said, this person wants to revive something back, okay. They're wanting to attempt to at least seize a commitment somewhere else, okay. But earlier I think there was a lot of self-doubt also coming from this person's side out here, okay. But now they're being assertive, they're being very decisive out here. But again, will they take action towards you? In their intentions, what do they think they want to do is they're still controlling themselves. They're still controlling themselves out here. I feel why? Because this person is probably somehow they still have some doubt out here, okay. These two, the strength is stopping themselves, okay. They're pushing their emotions inside, okay. They're pushing it deep down. They're trying to tame their feelings for you by not wanting to contact you, not wanting to make a move, which we already see in their intentions right from the Knight of Pentacles here. But it's just that slow moving energy, okay? It's like they want to work on themselves before they work on this connection here, okay? So I feel they're trying to better themselves by working on them. By working on themselves, they can work better on this connection, okay? So earlier they were very emotionally detached, probably, you know, they neglected this connection here, didn't put in any hard work here, etc. Now this person here wants to put in the work here, but with the strength here, I feel there's still some kind of changes that they need to make here, okay? They're choosing to hold back from a connection that they always want, okay? Now the Five of Swords here can also mean that they're still sabotaging the connection out here. Let's clarify. Why is the Five of Swords here? Why is the Five of Swords here in their intentions towards Taurus? Yep. Still, right? Still stubborn as fuck. This is someone here who is wanting to take control of the situation, but they want you at their own terms. Okay, this is someone you're very rigid. Oh my god, this is a tough person to be with. All right, they're very rigid, very stubborn. I'm not saying that this is not a good person out here. Don't let me tell you that. I'm just explaining to you the energies of the card here. Okay, very stubborn, very my way or the highway. I know I'm doing the right thing or the wrong thing out here, but you don't need to tell me what I do. Okay, so it's more like someone who's not willing to compromise here. I feel this person probably wants to take things very, very slow, and they want to keep you with them, okay, unless and until they choose to now put a label on the connection. Till then, they want to keep you dragging along here. Don't take me wrong, they do love you very much, but if you're ready to go with the flow with this person out here, you can, okay, but for right now, they're being very firm and they're putting their foot down, okay, so they're just going to continue sabotaging the connection out here. Okay, I do feel they want a reconciliation out here, but at the same time here there's this sabotaging energy. Okay, well, I want a reconciliation with you, but I'm still gonna hold back because I want it my way. Okay, so that very kiddish, childish energy. All right, so that's what I have for you. Hope this reading resonates. Leave your comments below if you do like the spread, and I will see you next time. Also, if you do need a personal reading, all that information is down below. If I missed that, bye bye. If I missed that, bye bye. If I missed